Tesla's stock price has just gone absolutely ballistic. Surprisingly, this news hasn't been shared here, particularly in Australia, so I think a lot of people don't know about it. But Tesla's stock has gone wild. It's up by 25% from $320 to $420 in the space of minutes, literally minutes. This is how fast it happened. And it happened because of what Elon Musk did. YouTube's new algorithm means that you're often not getting all of our videos in your feed. There's 7,500. I'm pretty sure you're probably not seeing a lot of them. In the description, there is a link to our newsletter. Click on that and you can get an update every day of all the latest news in the electric car industry. Hello, my friends. Welcome to the channel. I'm Sam Evans. You're watching the Electric Viking. I'm going to guess a lot of you know this story already, but I think it's intriguing. Musk, his most recent Tesla stock purchase, he bought 200,000 shares worth $10 million in 2020. That's the last time he bought Tesla stock, right? 5 years ago, $10 million. Well, yesterday he went and bought $1 billion of Tesla stock. Either he is absolutely convinced that Tesla will become a multi-trillion-dollar company and he's going to get his trillion-dollar pay packet, or this is his way to boost the stock price. I mean, it could be either thing. I don't know. Tesla shares rose on Monday after Musk disclosed a rare insider purchase of company stock worth $1 billion. I don't remember anyone buying their own company stock for $1 billion, spending $1 billion of their own money on company stock. I haven't heard of this before. CEOs often do this sort of thing, but not to this level, not this amount anyway. A filing with the US Securities and Exchange Commission revealed that Musk acquired 2.57 million shares last Friday at various prices. The move represents Musk's largest Tesla purchase ever by value. I mean, this is massive. The disclosure sent Tesla shares up significantly in pre-market trading as investors read the purchase as a notable vote of confidence, as stated in a CNBC report. It could be that. I don't know. Tesla stock had closed slightly lower Friday, but remains more than 25% higher over the past 3 months. It should be noted that prior to this move, says Teslarati, Musk's most recent purchase was a long time ago, 5 years ago, $10 million. Peanuts, absolute peanuts in comparison to this. I mean, for me, that's a lot of money, but for Musk, that's nothing. Market watchers say the purchase could help shore up investor sentiment amid a volatile year for Tesla. Shares have faced pressure from a variety of factors, from year-over-year sales challenges due to the new Model Y changeover and due to politics as well. Of course, that has been an influence. Plus, reduced US EV incentives will affect Tesla sales for the remainder of the year in the United States. Nevertheless, analysts such as Wedbush's Dan Ives stated that Musk's purchase was a huge sign of confidence for Tesla bulls and shows Musk is doubling down on his Tesla AI bet. Now, I'm not 100% sure if that's true. It might be. I really don't know. But Musk is clearly shooting for the moon here. He believes he can push Tesla's valuation to being worth more than Google, Microsoft, and Apple combined, and that will get him his trillion-dollar payday. Like, he's obviously signed off on this document, which is, in my opinion, the numbers Tesla need to hit for Musk to get his $1 trillion. I think they're impossible. And I've never said this about Tesla's aspirations or Musk's aspirations before, because I just think some people can do wild stuff. They can pull off amazing things. But I don't think that what Tesla needs to hit for Musk to get his $1 trillion, I don't actually think it's possible. I think the car sales figure is just way too high for it to be possible. But I could be wrong. It's going to be interesting to see what happens. Musk already owns 13% of Tesla. His latest purchase comes as the company prepares for a key shareholder vote in November. Investors will decide whether to approve a compensation package for Musk that could be worth as much as $975 billion if ambitious market value milestones are achieved. I think investors 100% should sign off on it. 100%. No question in my mind they should sign off on it. I don't think Tesla has any chance of hitting it. But I think if Musk thinks he can, then he's going to push. He's going to really do everything he can to help Tesla hit that. even though Tesla won't hit it, in my opinion. Honestly, I think the chances are like 1 in a bazillion. Even though they won't, it will push Musk, it will motivate him, right? So that would be the benefit of it. The package has a long-term target of pushing Tesla's market cap to 8.5 trillion compared with 1.3 trillion at Friday's close. So it has to increase its value by like 7 times what it's worth today. It's possible, but that's not the problem. The problem is the other metrics that Tesla has to hit for Musk to get his 975 billion. And those things, when I shared them, I couldn't believe that Musk thought they were achievable. But good on him. Optimism. You know what? Pretty much every successful CEO I've ever met is wildly optimistic, like arrogantly wildly optimistic. And they need to have those traits to become who they are. That's the only way they got to where they were. Wall Street's current consensus price target implies a roughly 20% decline from current levels. Some Tesla bulls remain optimistic that the company could shift its focus toward autonomy, AI, and robotics. And I think that they will. Musk has asked shareholders to approve an investment into his latest venture, XAI. What do you guys think? How do you see this playing out? Do you think that Tesla's current valuation is realistic? Or do you think that it's worth buying Tesla stock today? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Guys, let us know as well if you just suddenly benefited enormously from this. I know some of you are holding enormous amounts of stock. I know some of you have more than $10 million of Tesla stock. I've met some of you in person. The value of your stock just went up by a couple of $1 million. Congratulations. That's fantastic for you. Let us know if that was you in the comments. And, buy us all a beer. It's not going to cost you much. Thanks for watching.